In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to build popsicle stick bombs, we call them. These are fun little contraptions made out of nothing but popsicle sticks. They don't require any glue or anything else. They just stick together based on the force of what's provided by the flexibility of wood and the abrasiveness of wood. And when they break, they have a tendency to go everywhere. That's why we call them popsicle stick bombs. I have some of that towards the end of this video, and you can see how they burst. But first, we're going to talk about how to build these things. They're a lot of fun, and you can also use them to, have them just as around, because they look neat. Well, we'll see. We got lots of different designs. We can get creative with this. The basic mechanics of this is each stick must contact in at least 3 opposing points. You can notice over here, each stick is woven through and it's opposing, so you're putting pressure this way that is pinning it here and here. So it has to be, if it's going over here, it has to be under here and under there. It has to be a perfect weave for this to work, enough to where it's pinching. Otherwise, you won't have the pressure and you won't have the abrasion, and they won't stick together. It's easier if you work with a table with some of these designs. In this case, I start at the table edge, and I would put this stick. I would put this stick out there, and I would put this stick underneath it, and this stick underneath it, that stick over it, or other way around. I put this under, and these two over, and I would put pressure, put my whole hand across the top, and I would insert the sticks into there as I'm holding that pressure. So it kind of gives me like a vise to work with, kind of a makeshift vise. So that's one other easy way to make it. There are many different designs possible. This is that one that was just kind of turned into more of a diamond shape. And once these guys snap, once they're no longer held, that's when they burst, is once they don't have enough holding them there. As this one's, as one of these guys comes loose, it'll allow this to come loose. It will allow just the whole thing comes loose all at once. That's why we call them popsicle stick bombs. But many different designs. We can get creative, see what all different designs you can come up with. This is even a multi-modular type. So I've got 2 of them stuck together. They're sharing a stick here in the middle. So this is actually one. But now let's take a look and see how these things look when we So that's how they look like when they explode. That's why we call them bombs. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.